This is Yi from Rocket. So Rocket is a company who is dedicating on commercializing speech recognition technology enabled by deep learning. We're mainly in China, but expanding globally right now. So one of the biggest problems we face is that we have very high costs in terms of computing power. Like we're using a lot of CPU and GPUs. But then when I heard a product from DinoPlusAI from Jay, that they have a product that can decrease the power consumption by a factor of 6. And then the compute power by a factor of 13. That's almost like music in our ears. We're sure that when the silicon really spin out, it's going to help our business tremendously. So with that, I want to welcome Jay Hu to come to stage to give everybody an introduction of their product and their business plan.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jay, founder and CEO of DinoPlusAI. We are building the first latency-optimized AI processor in the world. We raised $6.5 million in 2017, and now we have received 8 million LOI purchase orders from our customers. We have 6 top-tier customers aligned. Ford loves our technology. Inspur is the biggest server OEM vendor in China. It's like Supermicro. You know Rocket. And Perception is a robot company. McAfee is building smart city solution and robots, industry automation. More than that, we have quite a few top-tier customers in the pipeline. Our team is very experienced, not only being able to deliver the best product, but also scale the business up and to IPO. The founder, myself, spent 15 years in the Valley to build top-tier low-latency chip design. My co-founder, Tom, spent 17 years in software industry, worked in Amazon and Cisco. We have software architecture from Princeton University and hardware architecture from Ivy League University of France. Especially our VP of BD, Patrick, was a COO of a public company. We have top-tier advisor board too. Our Silicon Valley team has 15 top talents. The whole market size for AI chip is huge, 66 billion by 2025, and the annual growth rate is 60%. Low latency is so important, not only for safety of autonomous driving car to enable 5G applications, but also to existing hyperscale cloud computing. It's about user experience. The way we are different because we have different view. Our competitors all have 2-dimension view for AI processor. They figure out how to solve the problem of 2 dimensions, that is performance and energy. We have 3D view. The 3rd dimension is latency. Compare against NVIDIA GPU right now, with ResNet 50, the typical AI workload. We have equal performance, and we can cut the latency 100 times shorter. The energy consumption 6 times less. Our customer benchmarked our chip technology in autonomous driving car. With SSD model, we cut the latency 63 times based on customer's model. When we use it in hyperscale cloud computing for AI, we can provide better user experience for a lot of AI workload. And like Rocket benchmarked it, we can support 4,000, for speech recognition, we support 4,000 audio streams, which is 13 times more than NVIDIA GPU V100. Verizon spent billions to cut the network latency for 5G network from traditional 100 milliseconds to today's 5 milliseconds. We cut computing latency from 20 milliseconds to 0.2 milliseconds. Combined together, the ultra-low end-to-end latency can be used to enable new 5G applications from autonomous driving industry automation. Without our solution, a big portion of investment from Verizon and SK Telecom will be wasted. The market is huge. The team is very experienced. Technology awesome. If you have interest, you can talk to us. Thank you.